Hi guys, it's me, Merrick behind the camera. Here's Dessa. Today we're going to do something very special.
If you see this on me, it's not blood here, but I see my hand and I see everything on my chin.
Yeah.
So it's not blood.
And yo, it's Merrick behind the camera. Today I'm doing something very special. And can you guess what it is? I'll give you some time. Okay, I think I had enough time. Hey Addie, do you want to go outside and look at the flood with me?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, I'll start getting my stuff on. Okay, I'm gonna go get my stuff on. See you back in like, I don't know, like 5 minutes. Hi guys, we're back from like 2 minutes, and we are going down to the creek. My sister Addie should be here soon. Look at this beautiful sky today.
It's really slippery.
Yeah, it's slippery because there's like,
It's really slippery.
whoa, okay, I almost slipped there. Anyway, we're going to a backyard. You're probably wondering, how can this be flooding? And then you're probably like, what? Okay, you probably can't see it right now, but it is absolutely crazy. Look at this.
It's not really deep over here.
It's not deep over there, but it might be over here.
Go down.
Wow, that is deep. I don't know if you guys can see that, but that's probably like down there. That's probably like a lot, and we're gonna go figure out where this is coming from. This still has her ice cream top. Whoa, this is just gushing. Where is this coming from? It's coming from over there, and it's also coming from over there, and it's coming from over there. Bro, it's just gushing. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it is just like, it's running like insane.
If you want to come to the creek with us and see what it looks like, it's gonna be your Oh, that's our new dog.
This is our new dog, Co. Hi, Co. How you doing? Co, cuddles for this.
When we first got him, his name was Buddy. Now it's Co.
Look at the chair. It's like flipped. Literally. And it's just gushing. I don't know if you guys can see that. Addie probably can. And this pop socket is coming off. Hi, Addie. How do you feel about this?
I feel like I look like a weirdo because I do my hair and I put it into this like thingy. And then Co came out of the house, so now we have to watch him.
Well, we're gonna go down to the insane area.
I think it's very sad because we had like a snow hill we were sledding down, and now
look at it. It's just gushing. Just gushing all the way.
I'm on the hill.
Look at this. Addie, can you hold the camera? Oh, she's taking a picture of her own. I'm going to try to go on that swing. It's not facing me. And here it goes.
It's really bright. It's really bright, so you
Yeah.
can't see him. It's right there.
I know, I'm trying to get there.
I'm talking to the camera. And Co, I'm drinking water. From nowhere.
Ah, he's gone. Oh.
Sit on this. I'm probably going to get my butt wet. And you want to see me climb back? And then jump down and go.
Yeah, let's see it.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
I'm going to get soaked.
Okay, well, do you want to get soaked?
Sure, I'll do it for the fans because I have very
What?
I'll do it for the fans because I have very end.
Well, subscribe and like. Check out this channel. Make it big. Make it famous. Let's go.
Come on.
Oh.
Take my coat. And take my shoes.
There you go.
Actually, yeah, take my shoes.
There you go, bud.
Hey, get that off him. You're getting it dirty. Take my shoes.
Okay, Dessa, take his shoes. We're just going to chuck it right here where there's no snow. He needs his shoes being taken. Oh, wait, you could use the towel that's on my head
You got my shoes.
to dry off.
You've got my shoes.
I'm just throwing it, Mary. I'll take this towel off of my head and lay it here. So once Merrick gets soaked and wet,
Okay.
I will.
and jump off of it.
You're not?
No, do you want me to do it?
Yeah, comment down below if you think this is so risky, but he should still do it.
Okay. So, you're probably like, oh my god.
Yeah, I don't think he's ever seen this, like, flooded.
He's like, oh.
Yeah, we literally just got him, like, a week ago. He's so pretty in this.
Oh, it's cold. Hold on. Oh, the snow's cold. Oh, it's cold, boy. Excuse me, I'm going to take the easy path. Cold. Move. Move. Get that. I don't know about this. It's kind of risky. Climbing off that and jumping off of it. Do you really want me to do this?
Yes.
I'm gonna break a bone or something.
If you think you're gonna break a bone, then don't do it.
Okay, I'm not gonna.
What? No! You're not gonna break a bone.
Okay, I won't break a bone. I probably sprain it easily. I just have to spawn street. Okay. I'm gonna get your butt wet.
I'm gonna get my butt wet.
Yeah. Okay, boys.
Trying to get good angles. Well, to take photos of.
Ow, foot.
Co does not like water.
I'm going to
Okay.
challenge itself and just climbing it.
Yeah, well, we climbed it yesterday.
Yeah, but it was a big challenge. You didn't even try.
Well, yeah, I did. Don't listen to him. I didn't fail. He failed.
It's kind of risky.
Are you gonna jump?
It's a big jump down.
You're gonna break your everything. Whoa. Co is climbing up the tree as well.
Yeah, I'm gonna probably break my everything instead. So, am I doing this? No. Actually, comment down below if that should be a next video. Say yes or no, no or yes. I'll do a next video for you guys.
I'm just trying to
Bye!
get. Oh.